I'll never forget the day we met that little girl. We assumed that her village had been attacked by the Burma army and that her parents were killed and the other villagers had disappeared. She was brought to the refugee camp, to this orphanage that we had been asked to help support. And when we looked at that girl, it was like all the problems of a nation were represented in that little child, and we felt like we couldn't do anything except help her however we could.
So we sat down and calculated what it would cost to care for this young, vulnerable life. And when we came to the conclusion that it would be $30, $30 US, we felt compelled to give this child what the Burma army had taken away.
What we hadn't expected was how her life was going to impact the lives of so many others. Over the last 16 years, thousands have heard her story and the story of so many other children like her. And they have invested with us and brought help and hope to these children who've experienced so much pain and destruction.
In the same way that we engaged this first little girl by giving her $30 and giving her a new lease on life, we have also engaged in the lives of literally hundreds of thousands of displaced people inside Burma. Through development, relief, education, and medical efforts, we have made a tremendous impact in partnership with you. That impact all started with $30.
So here's the question.
What is your $30 story going to be?